This is Unit 2A and it deals with energy resources, and this first section deals with solar and wind in particular. So energy is obviously a key concept here again, and the main energy starting point is the sun. So we have light energy coming down from the sun. So we'll look at these from left to right. Over here we've got the photocell, and what that does is it directly turns the energy from the sun into a flow of electrons. Electrons are the tiny building blocks, or one of the tiny building blocks that make up matter, along with the neutron and the proton. And you can see in a little bit more detail what's going on here. We've got our little snippet of sunlight energy coming in here, and there's the electron. It gets knocked off to form part of a current. Now, some of the advantages of the photocell: it's relatively low maintenance. There's no cables in the sense of a satellite or something like that, and it has a relatively long life. Moving on then, we have what's called passive solar heating. So rather than burning lots of fossil fuels, why not use the sun directly? Well, we can do that as long as we have some glass, and this is called the greenhouse effect. And we can see the relatively short wavelength light coming in here. It gets absorbed and radiated by a surface, and we can see it's now a longer wavelength, and this cannot escape as easily from the glass, so we're trapping the heat effectively and keeping it there. We then have a wind turbine here, which is not as obviously driven by the sun, but it is indirectly driven by the sun. So we have heating of the ground here, and we have a convection current. So it gets heated, less dense, and it rises. This happens on a massive scale, and we get the movement of air, which we call wind, and that's going to hit the turbine, be connected to a generator, and give us some electricity. We also have direct solar heating here again, and this is used in some remote countries. A very, very good no fuel way of heating some food there. So both the wind and the photocell have a number of advantages. No fuel is needed. It's limitless in the sense that it won't run out, and it produces no polluting gases. They are, however, weather dependent. If it's dark, solar cell isn't much good. If it's not windy, the turbine's not much good. And the siting of them can be controversial.